Ahoy there, me shipmates. How you all doing? Good, you enjoying your weekend? Okay, this is from Iceland, 2008. Not that much of a brilliant looking coin, but I don't think I've done one from Iceland, so here we go. Right, let's punch a hole in it. Get our jailer, here she is. Looking good. Right, let's go to Big Bertha and whack a hole in her. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. Is she going to unscrew, or does she need a bit of a slap? Yes, she needs a slap again. I got another comment yesterday from some guy saying what I'm doing is illegal. I think they're more interested in people trying to turn like a £1 coin into a £2 coin, or you know, stuff like that. Nobody has ever been prosecuted for what I do, and I think there's more shit going on in the world. They're interested in doing someone like me for making another coin. There's always somebody got to moan though. I've had quite a few of them. 5 or 6 since I've been doing it. It's a coin of the realm. You mustn't do this. It's against the law. This is Christy Burr, my deburring tool. This just cleans up the edge where I've punched it through. Make sure there's no cracks for me or splits. Okie dokie. Right, let's show a bit of love with Bernie. Fucking no, it's just these very lonely old people, you know, just sat at home, no friends. Finding things to moan about. Quite sad really. Not much of a life. This is called annealing. It just softens up the metal so I can work it a bit easier. Right, what we got? I think this is going to have to be face side up of the ring. You got the date, Iceland. Not a lot going on there. You got some fish, like cod. Yeah, I think they're cod. They look like cod. Cod and chips. You can't get cod here in Finland. It's all salmon. I'm not a big salmon fan. I'm getting into it though. But salmon and chips don't seem the same, does it? There's a nice bit of Icelandic cod. Right. Oh, I forgot to take you over to Big Red, didn't I? There you go. That's Big Red. Oh, he's back again. Yeah, I'm just a mess today. I'm making glass. I start the Christmas market on Monday. I'm trying to do 100 things at once. By this Monday, when I get there and set up, I'll know what I haven't got and what I need to do. And my girlfriend's going to come and help me set up. She'll say, no, you've got to put this there. Because, I mean, women know how to set things up, don't they? Right, let's go over. Spike, our best friend. And this is a ring stretcher. And it does what it says on the can. It stretches your ring. This isn't for anybody in particular. I think I'll give it a bit more love with Bernie though. It's getting a bit hard. But it's still looking good. Yeah, I don't think I've made an Icelandic coin ring. There you go. That sounds good to me. Right, now what we got? Get a few more pumps. So if you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. Stand by your man. Doobie doobie doo. Yeah, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a load of rings in there. They're all in EU size. But there's conversion charts on the interweb. And I can adjust them up or down for you. I can make them bigger or smaller. That's looking pretty good. Another couple of pumps and we should be there. One for you, one for me, one for the girl next door. There you go. Right, it's warming up time again. It's work hardening quite a lot, this coin. Right. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Got one or two yesterday. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. If you hit that, you're subscribed. It's free, cost you nothing. And if you'd like to also hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. I need some more love. I really do. Especially nowadays. The world's gone crazy. Right, let's go to the bottom end. I'll make this fit in here. I always like to try and use these. Yep, I can use that. I don't know why. It's not much on this one, but yeah, it's a bit there. That's the same die I folded it with. A little bit too much, believe it or not. A Close Encounters of the Third Kind has just started over there on the movie. I see it at the cinema when it came out. Bloody good movie. Do you believe in this? Do you believe in UFOs? I certainly do. I think that's pretty sexy. Maybe a touch. But not too much. I think that's better. You put it against a white background so you can... Yeah, that's pretty damn good. It's good enough for the girls I date anyway. Right. Let's break out Kate Bush. Sad looking again. I've got some other ones. I'm trying to use these up though, because I was changing them before they really needed it. And these ain't cheap, these things. Not like me, I'm very cheap. I'm cheaper than a cheap thing. Yeah, I always thought before I died, I would see, or UFOs would have turned up. And if you believe in it, drop us a line. And if you got the chance to jump in and go in one, would you do it? I would. I'd go tomorrow. Hopefully my girlfriend would come with me. She'd probably just wave me off and say, "Toodaloo, thanks for stopping by." Right, polish would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. Whatever the hell that is. There's so much stuff everywhere. Where's the polish gone? Well, this might have to be a yeah, I think this one will be a satin look. Because I can't find the polish. There's stuff everywhere. Unbelievable. Non-stop, all day. Glass. Dinner. Yeah. Well, there you go, folks. I like them satin look anyway. I think they're beautiful. But if you want this polished, I can polish it for you. A lot of my rings I started making on YouTube. I just did the satin look. And I do like it. Ah, there you go. I found it. Guess where it was? It was on the shelf right in front of me. It's an age thing, you know. I think the old dementia's setting in. I think it's sitting years ago, to be honest with you. That's what killed my old girl off, my mother. Dementia. A sad thing to see, that was. She was in like 3 or 4 different homes, and they kept kicking her out because she was too much trouble. I mean, they couldn't control her. A sad way to go, I tell you. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. Not that I have any enemies, I don't think, anymore. I might have done years and years ago, but not anymore. I'm a good boy. I am a good boy. Right, let's get out Felton John, wherever he is. Oh, there he is. Yeah, so if you're looking for a custom made ring, I've got loads of different coins. You can mail me on your thing in my ring at proton.me, or you can leave a comment under the video. You can even send me your own coins. Quite a few people doing that nowadays. Right. Let's get out a slightly cleaner cloth. It's about -3 at the moment. Loads of snow. So if you're in Iceland, there's a nice ring for you that says, please hit the like button and subscribe. 2008, and that's why I used the kitchen roll on the inside of the coin. You don't lose any of the detail. What size we got? We've got a size. Oh. God, where's my bloody mandrel? I've got the American one here. That'll have to do. This is a size. Can't see it. This is a size 10 3/4, but I can make them larger or smaller for you. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great Saturday evening, or wherever you are, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. Have a great day. Thanks for subscribing, and hit the like button, hit all the like buttons, and I'll catch you tomorrow. So bye bye.